Hello, people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. God bless you for always checking on me. Much love to you all. So, my people, this video, no quick rush talk about this video. About this Reverend Father based in UK. How he take beat his wife, how he take disgwangwa, how he take scatter his wife face. Pastor for that matter, Reverend Father for UK, based in UK. UK where be say, man not the touch woman, you go for it. I bet make the woman put her for where it belong. No have mercy on him at all. Because before he go Nigeria, go marry Africa, go marry woman when he marry, he not fit for you, he not get heart. And before he beat you like that, as if you na a worst enemy when he maybe the year say you offense. Because of that anger, now he beat you like that. So since he not get conscience, when he never reason at all. That kind of person, madam, no ever feel for him. I beg, put him for where he belong. He deserves to rot in hell. Which kind of wicked heart where this man get? Or this one now, what una they tell the young ones when you never married, the second one. Una they tell the same they not marry because marriage not before child play, or you as a reverend for that matter. Add young couples, young people wey be say they never marry, how they go feel? They go say, come on, they'll say, see, oh, pastor, na he fight, oh. Who come be them wey be say they come see every day, wey be say, if they come marry, how they'll come live life? Which example now they give people for life? Which example? You are not a baby, you mature man like that. Woman, when they give you 4 children, God, why now? Why? Who the devil use you? What? They should just remove the name of pastor. You not be pastor. Now you know where you for come. Now only God know where you for come. Now the pastor. You go Nigeria, go do secret marriage. Make your wife for no know. If you say you and your wife for UK, because yes, women they always do that for UK. If they're married, a court marriage, they know. Una do court marriage, maka, all your things are go wipe and take. Who does that? All your property, as you they go for it. So anything you just get, make that woman just begin take everything for your children. Which kind of wicked man be that one? Then that woman go no say to take person husband, he go remain like that. Or till father notice where you go come out. Or till you come out. How you want make this woman take start life? How you want make she take start life? Why una dey shit? Now this one they make some women, they don't want their husband. They don't want to see their husband say he go close to a woman. Because so the said the woman just they fight for cucumber. Why you they fight because of husband? Leave her make shit. All men are make to be shit. Some women will they talk that nonsense. All men are make to be shit. Some men will say they talk that rubbish talk where you say their brain not complete. All men are make to be shit. It dey Bible. It dey Bible. Now you go know say some women too. They go see put on for Bible by themselves. Say them themselves. If they do as man, they go see the shit. As much they discover, say you as a man, the shit. Una they bring beast when it dey woman mind. Una they bring them heart. The dirty side of women. Una they renew and make women they get bad mind. No, it has to stop. All those things has to stop. Shooting. So men. Once they don't go, they follow another woman. Their wife, it go be their worst enemy. No, not get wetin the woman go they talk when he go they enter the man head. It not go they enter his head because he don't see why Yeye Mary and Maka when he be say it they follow up with, and he don't feel like say that place now ain't good for him to relax. Man, let you know you will be woman when you want take person husband. They will still take the man from you. Another person when they sabi walk past you go see snatcher. That's why you just reach. All those kind of bad. You go see some women, man don't marry. They go talk say not me. Shame on you. The time when you go take settle down with your husband, you dey use and they waka, they find will not find you. Why this man, Reverend Father, why you go do like this? Why you who's an example you dey show? Why you go do like this? Why you go do like this to your own lovely wife? Woman, when you promise, you know it be that promise. It pass hold. It pass who share. They take people when they take covenants with their blood. This one, so it pass am. For you to vow, I love you. I will never disappoint you. I will be there for you. I will be this, I will be that. You go promise the woman everything. At the end of the day, your character go change. Wetin una dey do before, una no go do. You say you won't get your privacy. You won't get your privacy. Your woman not get access to your phone. Your phone go lock. Now they make most of una. They go una go marry because una woman not get access to una phone. If the woman to say get access to your phone, all those things not go happen. Maybe you go see say only so you they hide. They chat with women. I beg women, if una must not gree say make una dey check their phone, something is fishing. Yes, truth must be told. You get what they do because real man, faithful man, a lot of faithful men their wife they hold their phone 247. Their wife know their husband password. Their wife know the amount of money where their husband bank. Now some love supposed to be. Now some marriage supposed to be. You as a man, you don't have any privacy. Because she is your wife. She is the bone of your bone. She is the flesh of your flesh. She is your blood. She means everything to you. Why you can't tell me say you need privacy for your life? What kind of privacy do you need? You don't need any privacy. Your own privacy is for your family. Yes, you go get privacy from your parents or your sister, your brothers, or the others, your family. So not your wife. Because not everything you will tell your family, but your wife, let her know everything about you. Your way go open. Things go they go well. The marriage go they sweet. Because your eyes poor, you get what you want to do for her side. Now it make you say, your wife not gonna know some kind things about you. Then the woman too go say get your secret thing. What you go they do? Now draw. Not be now. Now before now man go say women not they shit. Even for Africa, for Europe, anywhere now. If some women, some women, their mind are stone. Once they discover say their husband is shit, then they go do the worst thing. Now the man best friend or dagger. Now the man blood they'll go sleep with. Make it pain now. If the man don't put money for you, make the man even bear RIP. Now that one the woman go take pain. Why some go just give am wetin belong to am, make e chop, e go sleep, e no wake. Men, the heart of some men are wicked. Okay, those men when they faithful to their wife, when be say their wife know everything about them, how many heads they get? How many heads they get? Some men una need to change. Una need to stop. Most of them they cause has when una marriage they break, not be the wives. Not be the wife at all. Because some of them will say, if her is good, now woman. If he not good, now woman. Una lie. We women, we have a golden heart. We have heart of forgiving. We have a good heart. That we always pray for our husband. Make things good for her. May everywhere they okay for her. Now it be all women prayer. Because of the children where they born for that man. They want make the children live good life, good future. Make everything better for them for future. Now it make real wife go make sure say make everything they okay. Because of the children, you go they pray hard, make the man way open. After I don't suffer, pray for you. Like after he don't suffer with you, he might not they close say they pray, wait till they go on and lean. At the wait till they pray for you. At the end of the day, you go say you want pain and say now your molar they scratch you. You won't go they dagger different women, maybe for carry sickness come with her. Or maybe for tell her say she not be your type again. That man. That man will suffer for 600 years for this life, and he'll go meet God again. God go say tell him, he go put her for where he belong. What a wicked word. Women not good, women not good. Now most of them destroy women mind. Now most of them make women heart strong. Now most of them not they let women, they like to suffer with boys nowadays. So the girls go say, if you not get them, I not go near you. Because they don't know, say some as they don't see some things when they happen for this life. Once you don't suffer with the finish, they go tell you say you not be their type. More now they let women get good heart for una. All those wicked men. Make una they let women they get good heart for una. Tell me, how person go suffer with you finish? At the end of the day, you go pay am with this thing. Even though say you even first get money or to be share yourself get before una meet. All suffer now suffer. No, more they do like that too. No, they do. Make una stop to the insult girls when they be say you no wan suffer with una. Because some of una character, wetin dey happen for this life, una not deserve wey be say woman go labor with. Because at the end of the day, una tell am say on who you be before. So my people, I go stop this. I go stop for a year because this video, this story, this topic, it really shocked me. I will stop my talking for a year. So if today na your first time, hey, hit the like button, subscribe for your sister, always support me, share this video. I bet drop on our own comment, go help. May we see whether wetin this bad man do e good, or e good say make woman see shit as man see dey shit on her. Make people know, because nowadays men don dey bring women leg out. Bye guys, see me.